Hey guys, so I have been seeing all of your questions and messages on Instagram, and you guys just want to know my thoughts on this whole devacurl situation. Excuse me, I am going to be getting ready during this video because I do have to film more, but I didn't feel right making a video about something else first before addressing this. I really do not want to make a video about this, and if you know me, you know I like to avoid drama and controversy like the plague. Also felt like I was inserting myself into drama unnecessarily. But I realized that is not the case because I have sat here on my channel and recommended these products for so long to you guys. Sorry, I just had to take Maggie out, so I kind of forget where I left off. I think I was just saying that I feel like I owe it to you guys to at least just tell you, where I stand on the situation. And yeah, so basically, a while ago, I received a couple of DMs asking if I had had trouble with devacurl or if I had heard about people having trouble with devacurl. And this was like totally news to me. I hadn't heard anything. I hadn't noticed anything different with my hair. At that point, I think I kind of assumed that, maybe the product just doesn't work for that person. I didn't really know the extent of the damage or, like I said, like the amount of people that had been experiencing these issues behind the scene. Fast forward, we have a lot of people within the community coming forward saying that these products, have caused this insane amount of damage. And I just want to say that I haven't experienced any adverse reactions or any like terrible hair loss or scalp issues or anything like that. And I really do feel for the women and the people who have experienced those issues. So that's really why I felt like I had to kind of at least give you my thoughts about what's going on, because I've been standing here on my channel endorsing these products that I have really loved for so long. And it's kind of really heartbreaking to see that so many people have been having issues. And then it's really disappointing to see how the brand has reacted to this whole thing. It's unfortunate to see things being handled in a way that discredits the user of the product, saying that, there's really no reason that this should be happening when clearly something has changed, something is going on. So yeah, I mean, that's kind of how I'm feeling about it at the moment. I feel like more stuff is going to be said over the course of the next few weeks, I'm hoping. So my stance right now is until we get some sort of explanation, resolution, apology, I don't think I can endorse these products. There have been too many cases, not cases, that sounded very sterile. There have been too many stories of people coming forward. I also want to say, playing devil's advocate here, and I'm not discrediting, like I said, I'm not discrediting anybody who has had issues. I 100% believe and understand, but this may also be a problem that reaches farther than just devacurl, like this brand itself. I mean, you guys remember that big lawsuit against Wen? I did read about another brand that also had some issues, but I'm not 100% sure about that, so I don't want to get on here and slander a brand that may have nothing to do with this. I'm just really curious to know why this is happening, and I think people obviously deserve answers to that. Okay, guys, so that's kind of all I have to say on this right now. I'm still trying to keep up with everything, and I'm still reading about things too, so at this time, unfortunately, devacurl is not something that I feel comfortable recommending to you guys, and hopefully soon we can kind of get to the bottom of what's going on and get some resolutions. Even though I haven't had any issues, I probably won't continue to use them, because who knows, it could just be that I haven't used it consecutively and I haven't had those issues because I switch up my products so much. It could be that I've been using like older products that I've had for a while and formulations have changed. I don't know, and it's not worth risking, so I don't think that you should risk it either. I believe as of yesterday, devacurl has issued another statement saying that they've done all sorts of testing and still haven't found any issues, but obviously there is something going on when this many people are coming forward. So I have a feeling this, there's going to be more to come. I hope there's more to come. All right, guys, so that is my stance right now. Obviously, I will keep you guys updated. Yeah. I feel like I want to add something positive to this video because it's such a bummer, but yeah, it just sucks. So thank you guys for watching this video. Go off in the comments below, and if you've had any bad experiences with devacurl, or if if you haven't and you really like the products, I don't know, just let's talk it out in the comments, and let's help each other out. All right, so that's going to be it for me right now. I hope you guys have a great rest of the day, and I will see you next time.